Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Stripe for Shopify step by step clearly. To get started with registering for Stripe on Shopify, first, ensure you have a Shopify account. Log in to your Shopify dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section at the bottom left corner of the page. In the Settings menu, select Payment Providers. Scroll down to the section labeled Accept Payments. Here, you will see the option to choose Stripe as your payment provider. Click on the Choose a Provider drop-down menu. Select Stripe from the list of available payment providers. After selecting Stripe, click on the Connect with Stripe button. You will be redirected to the Stripe website. If you already have a Stripe account, enter your credentials to log in. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create a new Stripe account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. After completing this step, you will receive a verification email from Stripe. Check your inbox and click on the verification link. Once verified, return to the Stripe registration page. Complete the additional information requested, such as your business details and bank account information. Review and accept Stripe's terms of service. Once all information is entered, click on the Activate Your Account button. This will link your Stripe account to your Shopify store. You will be redirected back to your Shopify dashboard. Check that Stripe is now listed as your payment provider. Test your payment setup to ensure everything is functioning correctly. You are now ready to start accepting payments through Stripe on Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.